Let's see how to put a hat or a cap over any letter in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to put a hat over letters in Microsoft Word, what we can do is head on over to the Insert tab and click on Equation. Now select Insert a New Equation. And that will open up a new field where you can type your equation. Now, for example, we want the letter A to have a hat. Now, let's go ahead and click on accent right here. Now, look for the option, this one, hat, and that will open up this equation in your field with a dotted line and a hat on top of it. Now click on the dotted box and type in your letter. And as we mentioned, we want the letter A. Let's go ahead and type in A. And as you can see, our letter A now has a hat on top of it. Now to change this text, since it is currently italicized, simply highlight your text again and click on text right here. And that should remove italic from your text. And that is how you can put a hat over any letter in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.